Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Here we are at Big Euro, one of the biggest European car shows out here. And I apologize, we had to mute the original audio. We're gonna do a voiceover today because the DJ was going pretty wild with all these back-to-back bangers and we don't want to get copyright today.
FML, right?
So here we are, we got the car fully polished and it just started to rain. I kid you not even 5 minutes have passed since I fully got it cleaned up and the rain started coming down. So big L right there, but the car still looks clean for what it is. Check out these new center caps. They're not official yet, but let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like these? Should I keep them on the car or should I switch them out for maybe some all black center caps? Anyways, let's jump right in. Big Euro SoCal 2023. We are here checking out cars and I see this Golf coming in, backing up. I'm like, oh, I need to go check that one out. So we walk over, right? And we're looking at it. Homeboy got the Call of Duty weapon camo on his Golf GTI. No, but it looks really cool. It definitely stands out. It got my attention to walk over with the 17-inch Kormodiv wheels. I give this one a 9 out of 10 for creativity. It definitely pops and I like what I see. We got the RS3 right here, Nardo Gray. This one is actually on the channel previously. Really dope. That's one quick Audi. We give this an 8 out of 10 for simplicity. And we got two new style Audis here. We got the yellow, the black. Check out the new front end design. I like it a lot compared to the previous gen. You can see the difference right here. And here's the new gen. I give the black one a 7 out of 10 and the yellow a 8 out of 10 for its bolder design. We got the Golf R, simple and clean, bronze on blue, 7 out of 10, simplistic look. And what do we have here? Homeboy couldn't decide which color to pick, so he picked all of them. No, I'm just playing, but definitely a cool and creative design. I give this 10 out of 10 for the Rasta vibes. And what do we have here? A twin, white, silver, metallic, just like mine. Except this one has some really nice wheels. What is that? The Advan TC4s, I believe. 18s always look good on this car, and you can see he has the upgraded brake calipers, looking real fresh. This is definitely a very nice car with the wheels and everything. I see he got the front lip. We're gonna give this white silver GTI a 9 out of 10. Reds a pair. We got the Audi RS5 and the BMW M3. These cars look really dope. Definitely intentional for them to be parked side by side here. Wow, you got the black accents on both. They both look very menacing, especially the M3, the new front end. I still think the front end kind of looks like a Hornet, but it's still really aggressive. And you got the RS5 making its presence known here. I got the stock wheels. Audi, I give it a 7 out of 10, and BMW, we're gonna give it an 8 out of 10. And what do we have here? A car for sale. Who's the owner? You gotta hit up Neil. My boy Neil is selling his white Golf with the black wheels. Rabbit Edition GTI. Hit him up if you need that. And he has a front plate attached, so you know he follows the rules of the road. But definitely a nice Golf. And what is this? Like an army green with bronze wheels? I like the look. I mean, it's subtle but still pops out. Definitely nice. Give that one a 8 out of 10. All right, so drag racing starts in about 10 minutes. And the rain has been coming down, guys. It is pouring. Everyone's heading over to the two-step competition show. I decided I don't want to be a part of that. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna find ourselves inside a Mark 8 Golf R. Check it out. Give you my first impressions here. And we've got the perforated steering wheel there, perforated seats. I love the new seats. I love the shape of the new seats up top. And the shifter here, I like how it feels. I don't really like how it looks. I would switch that out and put something weighted, but that's just me. You got the wireless CarPlay, all that good stuff, piano black all around, tactile feedback. It sounds like everyone has said it does feel cheap, but everything else feels good. All the main touch points minus the tactile feedback and the big screens. I know the GTI version of this, the new ones, they brought back the volume knob. So physical buttons are always better in my opinion. And we're checking out the clutch here. The pedal does feel a tad lighter than my Mark 7 did when it was fully factory. It might just be that assisted spring underneath the pedal that needs to get pulled out. And here we have our Audi R8 in this menacing blue color. It's like an electric blue or something like that. Got the front lip down there with the Lamborghini wheels. Wow. Definitely keeping it VW Audi group. Nah, but I think that's pretty cool. You put the Lambo wheels on your Audi. I like it. I'm gonna give this one an 8 out of 10 for just how clean it looks. And this one, guys, I wanted to show you. There was a Golf R, and for some reason the turbo was tucked a lot lower than it normally sits. Normally you see the heat shield right there, that silver thing. This one is like tucked much lower. I don't know why it's like that. Just some sort of other turbo that they swapped out. Let me know what you guys think. You guys seen that before? Let me know what it is. And we're gonna go ahead and give this one a 9 out of 10 for its surprising factor. I still can't figure it out. I haven't bothered to look it up though. And what do we have here? Street Sweeper Patrol Unit. Wide body, spec'd out everything with the police lights. 10 out of 10 creativity there, sir. And our Need for Speed Most Wanted childhood nostalgic car are just to the left of there. We found it. Razor took it from us back in 2005 and we got it back in 2023. 10 out of 10, guys. Both of these cars. Definitely cool whips for sure. And there goes the two-step battle. Quick downshift. One more time. Little bit of boost, guys. Let's go. Oh, boy, that was only 11 pounds. 11 pounds of boost. And it's pulling. And one more time. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and boost. Oh man. By the way, this is still the same Sachs clutch. I know someone's gonna ask. Alright, and here we are, guys, back from Big Euro SoCal. We didn't stay for the whole thing. There was a delay in the drag racing there, so we didn't get to spectate that because of the rain, but it's all good. But I wanted to use this time to kind of give you guys an update about how the car has been with everything, with all the mods, ever since switching to a hybrid turbo. So we got the EQT Vortex XL on this one, tuned for a few months, probably about almost a year now. And I want to say so far everything has been great. We haven't had any drivability issues, anything like that. The car still pulls all the way to a red line just fine. I did do a data log actually the other day just to make sure target boost is still hitting and things checked out. So yeah, we are in the clear there. But I did get a code on the access port just yesterday. It's about cold start performance. We're gonna have to look that up just to make sure. You know, it's nothing too drastic. But so far, again, the car has been driving well. I haven't really had any drivability issues or anything like that. The clutch, I will say, while it's still holding, we should probably upgrade that sooner rather than later. This thing has been riding through what, 3-4 different turbos now. IS-20, IS-38, Vortex Standard, and now Vortex XL. Same clutch. It's still holding, but you know, it's not as aggressive, but it still grabs. It still goes for what it is. Still surprised it's still holding. But yeah, so far everything is good in that department there. So yeah, guys, I haven't had any like crazy issues, anything like that. Car is doing a-okay. We'll see how it goes in the later months to come. Boost weather is basically at the brink of beginning. You know, I'm excited for that. We definitely want to run some cars and see how it goes, right? I do have a few runs to post. I just need to get them edited, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, hope to catch you guys on the next one. Peace.